Cabbage Patch. Again, this is MiniBike Misfits out here. Thanks to Go Power Sports for being such a great sponsor for us. Miss Misfit herself. You ready to race?
Ready as I'll ever be.
What's up, CJ? You ready to race? Yes, sir. Hey, is it just me or is that beer really big?
The what? Oh yeah!
That's a CJ size beer.
Hey, let me say something. I want to thank Go Power Sport. In 3 days, they sent me the parts I need for this bike. I put it together last night, and it's gonna race today.
Yes, sir. And hopefully we're gonna see a win in victory lane, guys.
Word! How you guys doing, man?
We're doing great, man.
Misfits in the house.
Yes, we are.
Welcome to Florida.
Yeah. Here it is, guys. The Cabbage Patch. Over here. I'm just trying to get something for the tube, man. We're ready, man.
You're rolling now.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man, we're here at Cabbage Patch, the legendary Cabbage Patch.
Yeah.
But hey, I want y'all to stay tuned. He's got more video coming. I seen him out here practicing a while ago. I think you got the gist of the track, and it's hard doing just a straight circle, man.
Absolutely.
It's
My old lady's the one that's going to be racing. That's Mackenzie,
right.
a.k.a. Miss Misfit herself.
Miss Misfit, all right.
Yes, sir.
And here we got Mark.
Oh! Got my dude Mark here.
What's up, man? That's
the whole reason right here. This man gave us the invite, and we had to come.
Well,
you guys know it, you know?
And I'm glad you guys have a good
and I think you radical Randy, right?
All day long, radical
Thank you,
Randy.
sir. Mason Pittman, sir.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Misfits out, y'all.
Mackenzie, our first ever lady rider. She did pretty good earlier. On your mark. Get set. Go. And looks like Corey. Oh! And Corey takes a spin off. Caution, caution, caution.
Caution.
Get set. Go. So there they go, heading out. Daniel Cooney trying to get the outside room. Mackenzie on the inside. Corey Harbor on the back. It is Daniel Cooney with a broken chain from earlier. Ripping up that trail, man. He's getting it. Mackenzie's holding a really good second place. Laps to go. Mackenzie holding off Corey Harbor to take.
Oh, Corey
and
went
Corey
out.
takes a spill. Hold up. Hold up. Let him shoot it. Well.
We got one lap to go, y'all.
Got one lap to go. On your mark. Get set, go. It is one lap. Mackenzie's trying to hold off Corey.
Go, go, go! What do you guys say, baby?
Almost came in first.
First loser, right? Second place? What do you got to say to Go Power Sports, though?
Thank you for loving me.
Go Power Sports, man.
MiniBike Misfits!
Oh, yeah!
Woo!
On your mark. Get set. Go. And they're off. Josh is out in the lead right there. Josh is moving it out. Zach Nixon making the move. Mark Eagles third. Mackenzie fourth. Oh, Josh. Oh, we got a caution. Caution down. Down. move. Mason, you're like the team captain to me today because you are the points leader. We discussed about front row, rear row. We're going to flip for it. It's going to be your call. You're going to call whether this team goes to the front or goes to the back. What do you call? Heads or tails?
Tails.
If it is tails, your team will go to the front. If it's heads, you guys have to race your race to the front. You ready? And it is heads. On your mark.
got done with the Cabbage Patch. Oh God, we just had a little wipeout over here happen, but she's good. She popped back up. Okay, so we're out here at the Cabbage Patch. I want to say a big old shout out to Go Power Sports. So we just finished up the Cabbage Patch main race, and my boy Zach, he came in first. I came in second, and I'm not sure who came in third. I don't know. Were you fourth? Mr.
Look, fourth or fifth, you know, Misfits style.
Dirty face Cooney over here. I don't know if my face is that dirty, but I really hope not, because that looks nasty. But anyways, yeah, awesome time out here, you guys. We we did a bunch of heat races and stuff, and it was a lot of fun. I actually came in, I think, first in the points, and that was really cool. But ended up flipping a coin, and it actually ended up being my demise. Not really my demise, but it actually I flipped, called tails, it's heads, and it means I got to start all the way in the back. So we inverted the starting order from the points. That was really fun, really you know, different and very cool to be able to, you know, have to work my way from the back. Go follow MiniBike Misfits if you haven't already followed MiniBike Misfits, and big shout out to Go Power Sports. Thank you guys so much for making this awesome and fast.